So just to wrap this up, I wanted to first go ahead and show you Cabi's website. So you can go in, you can check out the new fashion for this fall. And it's really great that Cabi not only is involved in fashion, but we're very much involved with helping women internationally. Again, it's a company for women by women. And go in, check it out, have some fun. You can come right here, click Find My Stylist, and of course just type Kelly Green, Kellygreeen. So I'm excited to get to know more of you, and this is a great way to do it. I'm really thankful to the Ivy Agency, and I'm glad that Kathy sent me links to this. So it's exciting. Also, last but not least, to make it very simple, you can go in and there's my name, Kelly Green. I'm a fashion consultant for Cabi. So there is my website, and you can simply email me one-on-one so we can talk about setting up a show and what time and what kind of fun we're going to have. And I have invitations. I can call your friends, do all that for you. And so just hit me up, right? All you have to do is email me here, and there's my website. So I'm not going to take up any more time because I could go on and on, but I won't. Thanks, Ivy Agency, so much for letting me share my business. And I'm really excited about looking at all your businesses too. So great way to collaborate, and see ya on the fashion side, girls. Bye.